So guys, today is a rest day in the BEAT program, and I'm really sure that you guys are doing great. You are giving your 100% doing all the days, but you deserve rest also in between. So as you have given your 100%, you deserve 200% of rest. So today is the day when you can energize your body, you can take it easy, you can relax a bit, and you can go for a nature walk, you can cook well something for you, for yourself, for your family members, or you can practice yoga, which is very light, or maybe restorative, or you can even practice yin yoga for that matter. Or if you want to go through any of our yoga tutorials to take it easy, so you can practice with us on our channel. And I would say that just relax for the entire day, but at the same time our body is designed to move, so it's always good to move also in between, but at the same time movement with stillness, I think it's the best combination. So today is that particular day when you can go within. You can even do guided meditations, you can even practice pranayama, and all that matters is that if you are giving your 100% on some days, you also give 100% attention to the rest. So let your body just get rejuvenated by taking proper amount of rest during one of those days. And I really hope that you guys are having a great time during the entire program, and we will be seeing you all tomorrow. So day 5. So see you all everyone. Namaste.